For now, the biggest news in India is National Testing Agency see lack of security because the paper of NEET UG 2026 has been cancelled due to a major leak that occurred due to a guest paper that matched 120 questions out of all the questions present in the question paper of NEET 2026. And this leaked paper was circulated by a student in Kerala, which later on reached several areas of Rajasthan and were being sold in several coaching centers for more than 7 lakhs. How and when the higher authorities of NTA got to know about it, they cancelled and decided to reschedule the paper. The whole hard work of students that had prepared for NEET and was onto the result and needed the result to get admissions in the best government medical colleges have now ruined. In fact, uh, several of these students are complaining about it and wants the head to resign. Ha, wants the NTA head to resign. The main conspiracy that is being held is that this leak was intentional and corrupt politicians actually leaked it for their own for the students that are connected to them to get passed and get in best medical college, and the reason for it being cancelled is to stop that. But many people have said that the authorities cancelled it because many people got to know about this guest paper and the questions related to it, which could have bring many corrupt politicians in from the shadows in the bright light. However, it is still not confirmed and it is still a conspiracy. But this is a major uh, lack of security issue that was done by National Testing Agency.